rich neighborhood here. Have huge houses. Very huge houses. Just looking around where rich people live, you can see they have big houses here. It's kind of quiet too, not too much traffic or anything. That's huge. Gonna turn around here. That's huge. Once again, driving in Minnetonka, where all the rich people live in big mansions. You can see the street too, looks nice. No potholes. Give us a like, subscribe, leave a comment. There's a different word from where I live. I live in the inner city, which is completely different than here. Big houses, nice streets, quiet. I don't see many cars here. Wealthy people live here. This one says dead end, so I'm gonna turn over here to that house. Have some workers. Oh, looks creepy. Alright, thank you for joining me here, driving in Rich Neighborhood. See you in the next video. That's on sale, maybe $1 million or more, right there. We'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, leave a comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video again. Peace out. This neighborhood is called Bent Tree.